Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can change the permalink or the URL structure of your WordPress website. Permalink or URL structure is very important for your website, whether it is WordPress or a normal website or any coded website, because it is important from SEO point of view. It is important from user point of view. Permalink shows Google or any search engine as well as your users as well that what the page is all about. For example, in my case, right now, if you see, this is my home page. And now if I go to my about page, if I click on my about page, then URL, in the URL you can see that the URL will be /about or maybe /about-us. So it means this URL is user friendly and SEO friendly as well, because it clearly tells user as well as search engine that what is this page all about. Same as if I go to services, you will see /services. If I go to our staff, you will see our-staff. If I go to contact, you will say -contact. And in most of the good websites which are performing well in the organic search ranking or overall, they have a good permalink structure. Both have the user friendliness structure and SEO friendliness structure. Now, instead of, let's say, these permalink structure, what if I change this permalink structure by going settings and in permalinks, and if I give it to any numeric random number, for example, and now if I click on save changes, refresh the website once again. Now, instead of home, instead of about, not post ID, I need to give it a numeric only. So I don't want to give it a post ID. I don't want to give it a plain. For example, I just change it to plain, and now go back, refresh the website once. And if I go to about, yes. Now if I go to about, now you can see the page URL is now page_ID equals to 193. Now this particular URL will not be able to communicate what the page is all about, right? Because page ID 193 does not signify anything. It does not signify whether the content is in English or not, what the content is all about, what kind of content user or search engine can expect. Same way, if I go to services, it will generate a random ID 217. If I go to our staff, it will generate random ID 230. So what is the best way? What is the recommended way to keep the URL structure? The recommended URL structure is always the post name. It means whatever the title, whatever the page is there, the same will be changed to the URL structure. So I will go to post name and click on save changes, come back to dashboard, refresh the website once again, and now if I go to the home page, because I just changed the URL structure, and now if I go to about, you say about services, then it is services. Also, you can change the URL of individual page or post manually. So for that, you need to go to pages. For example, if I want to add change for pages, click on edit. On the right hand side, you will see an option called link, right? And click on this link, and now you can change the structure. So for example, I want to change the URL permalinks from about us, about to about-us, and then click on save changes. So it means now the about page URL is been changed, and since there was already about us, so it says about us too. So I can say about company, for example, about company. And now if I close it, save changes, come back to the website, and now if I go to about, you can see the URL is now about-company, but it is still user friendly as well as the search engine friendly. So make sure your permalink structure of your WordPress website is both user friendly and as well as the search engine friendly. And how you can change the permalink structure for overall website? By just going to settings and clicking on permalink. My recommendation to keep it always on the post name, but if you want to change the URL of any particular page or blog, then you can do it by clicking on the edit button for that particular post or page which I just showed you. So guys, this was a quick video on how to change permalink structure and what is the recommended permalink structure for your WordPress website. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.